Are you looking for the best wireless microphones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best wireless microphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. JBL Wireless 2 Microphone System. The JBL Wireless Mic System is a high-quality wireless microphone system that delivers crystal clear vocal clarity and incredible JBL Original Pro sound. With its rechargeable UHF dual-channel wireless receiver, you can connect 2 wireless microphones and enjoy up to 6 hours of playtime without any jamming, delay, or distortion. The setup is super simple with the plug-and-play feature, allowing you to start using the system instantly. The microphones come with replaceable AA batteries, ensuring you can keep the groove going all night long. For the best performance, pair the JBL Wireless Mic System with any of the JBL PartyBox speakers. Whether you're a performer or hosting an event, this system will ensure your voice is heard loud and clear. What we like: exceptional audio clarity, impressive battery life, easy setup and pairing, solid build quality, reliable wireless range. What we don't like: pricey for some users. Initial setup can be complex. Number 2. JBL PartyBox Wireless Microphone System. The JBL wireless microphone offers an impressive cardioid pickup pattern, ensuring your voice comes through clearly and crisply during performances. You'll appreciate the shock mount system, which reduces noise from handling, and the built-in pop filter that eliminates unwanted breathing sounds. This makes it easy for you to focus on delivering your best performance. Simply plug in to start singing, and you can use it with any JBL PartyBox speaker, enhancing your party experience with seamless compatibility. What we like: crystal clear sound quality, stable wireless connection, easy plug-and-play setup, good battery life, durable and lightweight design. What we don't like: wireless dongle battery life, connection issue with multiple speakers. Number 3. Fenix Pro Wireless Microphone System with 4 handheld mics. The Fenix Pro Wireless Microphone System is a high-quality, 4-channel UHF cordless microphone receiver with 4 handheld dynamic microphones. The all-metal construction ensures durability, and the high-quality dynamic cartridge limits feedback and interference, delivering clear, robust sound. The fixed-frequency design provides ultra-signal stability, while the LCD displays show the frequency number, and individual volume control enables precise vocal balancing. The wireless microphone set is versatile and ideal for outdoor activities such as parties, weddings, speeches, and conferences, with up to 260 feet long-range reliable performance. The box includes a wireless receiver, 2 antennas, a power adapter, an audio cable, a user manual, anti-rolling rings, and AA batteries for long-hour operation. What we like: excellent sound quality, durable metal construction, long battery life, easy setup and use, versatile for various setups. What we don't like: signal strength indicator misleading, antennas may break easily. Number 4. TONOR Wireless Microphone System for Home Karaoke and DJ. The TONOR wireless microphone system comes with clear and pristine sound quality, enhanced signal stability, sturdy and durable material, and easy operation. The system has a professional cardioid dynamic capsule that eliminates background noise and howling, making it ideal for karaoke, home KTV, big parties, DJ, weddings, and classes. The all-metal mic with a steel mesh grill is resistant to impact and corrosion. The receiver box has a separate volume control for each wireless mic. Additionally, the system can use 15 adjustable frequencies per UHF mic with a 60 m transmission range. What we like: good sound quality, solid build quality, reliable signal strength, budget-friendly option, easy to use. What we don't like: pairing instructions unclear, limited mic pairing options. Number 5. TONOR Wireless Microphones TW320. TONOR TW320 wireless microphones is a high-quality wireless microphone system that offers exceptional sound quality with minimal distortion and noise. Its cardioid pickup pattern effectively reduces unwanted background noise, allowing you to focus on the targeted sound source. With a remarkable line-of-sight range of up to 200 feet, you can move around effortlessly during your performances or events. The plug-and-play feature allows easy connectivity with various devices such as karaoke machines and powered speakers. With 15 adjustable channels, you can eliminate radio interference and synchronize multiple sets simultaneously. The long working time, powered by AA batteries and a built-in rechargeable battery, ensures uninterrupted use. The lightweight and durable design, along with the display screen showing battery and signal strength, makes it perfect for on-the-go use. What we like: great sound quality, reliable performance, good battery life, durable yet lightweight, affordable price. What we don't like: receiver size may be an issue, limited frequency usage,